Good morning. We're being told parts of the foothills could see wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. And for that reason, several different areas throughout Colorado are preparing to make sure that they avoid any outside activity that could cause a spark. Secure all of your loose outdoor items like your furniture, your holiday decorations, and have a plan in place for potential power outages. That means make sure you have water, food, flashlights, and a charged cell phone. Some other things that Boulder County is telling you to do is check in with the county and make sure that you sign up for any alerts. We're going to have more on this wind gust story throughout the day on 9news.com and of course on 9 News at noon. Reporting in Golden, I'm Eddie Randall. Back to you.